subnets. I mean, one VPC, public subnet and private subnet. For convenience, I created two public subnets and two private subnets. This is how the protection environment will be present. And we also created route tables and we associated the route tables, and we created NAT gateway attached to the private and subnet, right? So now let's confirm the uses. Let's create an instance and verify the how public subnet works and how private subnet works. So for that, basically I have created one scripts using scepter, basically, which is a, in further videos you will get, I mean, one by one I will get I will tell these things. So this is a scepter script, mm, which in the background uses cloud formation only. So scepter is a tool to automate the cloud formation. You can look at it as like that. So to uncover this, first I will explain about what is cloud formation, and first I will do the demo of ec2 instance via console and then cloud formation and then using scepter. First let's create in public subnet so that it's easy for us to test it, and then let's create with the private subnet. This is the IP public subnet one which we are using. uh, so let's create and let's see what happens. Basically, in this security group we allowed all traffic. So uh, and we have also used the user data. So Apache server will be having this base index.html, which is the hello world from that host name. So this is the user data which we discussed previously. Oh, is it instances? Okay. User data is basically on startup of the instance, the script will be running. So just to show you between the, oh, sorry, public subnet and private subnet. When we launched using this public subnet, this instance is accessible, and when we launch it with private subnets, this instance is not accessible. So that is the thing I want to show you. When we run this script and command, it will create a cloud formation stack which creates, currently it is creating its instance profile. So slowly it will create instance, and in the private instance, as you can see, it is not accessible, as you will see. So the solution is adopting load balancer, which I will discuss later in the coming videos. So let's wait for some time. It will take some time. Instance profile creation. See the, basically the cloud formation stack is complete status. So means like instance is being created. Statistics still pending. So you can see the it has public IP. This is AWS custom. When stop and start it will change, and the subnet is my public subnet one, which we already have. So let's refresh. Let's wait for some time and like see hello all from 10.0.1.54. So that is the same private IP. So let's do one thing. Let's basically change the subnet ID to private subnet and see whether it was accessible or not. So I'll update and I will show you again. As you can see, the instance is the new instance is being launched. So if you quickly see the subnet, it is a private subnet. So if we access this IP, since it is a private subnet, we can't access basically that port. So the ideal way is to, there is a setting, basically modify autos and API settings. So better we can disable for it is it, so that whenever we create instances in private subnet, there is no need of public IP. So we can disable it. So just for your understanding, I have enabled it. So let's go to the instance. Still it's initializing, but even after initializing, you won't be able to access the site. So let me wait until it becomes active. As we can see, the instance is like statistics are passed, but if we hit the public IP, still the response will be site can't reach. Let's wait. So that is the reason why we use private subnet, I mean public subnet, private subnet. So difference between public and public private subnet. I will unfold this scepter and cloud formation to you in the next couple of videos. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.